All right, so in the last video, we left off with variables on the same side of the equal sign. So now we're going to talk about what do we do when they're on opposite sides. So in the case that they are on opposite sides, we want to get them on the same side. So here are my variables. Okay, I've got 6x and 7x, and they are both on the opposite sides of that equal sign. So I am going to move, okay, the one that has a constant or a number next to it. So I'm going to subtract the 7x. Okay. And I'm just going to erase this line so it does not get us confused with dividing. Okay. All right, so 7x minus 7x is 0. 6 minus 7 is a negative 1, or just a negative x. Okay, we haven't done anything with a 5, so that's coming down. All right. So we have a negative 1 here, right? So I'm going to divide by negative 1. So x is equal to 5 divided by negative 1 is a negative 5. Okay. So let's look at another example. All right, so which one are we going to move? The negative 4x or the negative 9? Okay, remember we're looking for the one that has the constant or a number next to it. And that's the one we're going to move. So in this case, 10. So we're going to add 4x to both sides. So we get 10 because negative 4 plus 4 is 0 is equal to negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5x. Okay, to get x by itself, I'm going to divide by a negative 5 since 5 is multiplying. 10 divided by a negative 5 is negative 2. So x is equal to a negative 2. Okay. All right, so what about when we have constants on both sides? Well, then it doesn't matter which one we move. So just because I like to keep my variable on the left if possible, I am going to, in this case, subtract my 2p. Now, could I move my constant? Yes. I like to move the variables so my variables combine and I don't end up confusing myself. All right, so 5 minus 2 gives me 3p. Bring down the 9. 2 minus 2 is 0, canceling each other out. So we have our 12 left over. So from here, what do you guys think I'm going to do? Okay, I'm going to move my constant, whatever's adding to my variable, or subtracting. So in this case, I'm adding 9 to both sides. So I get 3p is equal to 12 plus 9, which is 21. Divide both sides by 3 because the 3 is multiplying. We will do inverse operations. So 21 divided by 3, p is equal to 7. And there's my answer. Okay. All right. So looking at this one. Okay. What variable would I move first? The negative 3r or the 15r. Okay, remember I can move either one, it doesn't matter. In this case, I'm going to move the 3r because it's negative, so all I have to do is make it positive to move it to the other side. Okay, it cancels out here, making that 0. All I'm left with is 10 equal to 15 plus 3, which is 18, r minus 8. Next up, move away the constants by doing its inverse operation, so negative 8. Add 8 to both sides. 10 plus 8 is 18, equal to 18r. Okay, 18 is multiplying to r, so we're going to divide 18 on both sides, which is 18 divided by 18 is 1. So r is equal to 1. All right. Okay, that's where I'm going to stop here, and I'll see you in the next video.